Making connections with other domains help to use different perspectives. Lateral thinking is the solving of problems by an indirect and creative approach, typically through viewing the problem in a new and unusual light. How to make a failing heart work again by bringing together different disciplines and brainstorming on the problem allowed for a solution from automotive technology. So, some sort of battery was needed to support a failing heart. This innovation opened possibilities for the future by heart surgeons collaborating with electrical engineers. The pacemaker was born. Why is connecting with other domains important in education? It broadens students' awareness and enhances academic competence because they then get first-hand experience with different perspectives. By balancing the information from the distinctive facets of the problem, different perspectives converge. Discovering commonalities and differences result in a combined solution and new questions arise that weren't present before. How could a teacher incite connections to other professional domains in classroom? Teachers need to consider what is happening outside the classroom and then give the students a task to find a case or current affair or issue to investigate. To introduce students to possibilities of multidisciplinary study and practice, the teacher could arrange excursions to an organization or company that involved different disciplines. By exposing students to a professional environment, they could already start researching and observing which domains could connect to their chosen subject. Letting your students lay the links themselves help them find what works for them through guidance of the teacher. What works, what does not work. The active involvement of your students with guidance from the teacher to promote and broaden their awareness on the importance of connecting with domains outside of their major enhances academic competence. The guiding role of the teacher is to pose questions like, what if you look at it from a different point of view? How would a nurse approach this question? How would a mechanic go about to deconstruct the issue? Would a movie director look at the subject the same way? Approaching the issue from different points of view enhances critical thinking for both teacher and student. What is needed to connect with other domains in the classroom is societal awareness of the teacher and flexibility in and outside the classroom, as well as in your curriculum. To start simple, you can ask students to step in someone else's shoes. Look at an issue from this position and explore it. Start with mind mapping. Do it together with your students or with colleagues to see where the overlap in interests might be. See if you can come up with an issue that is embedded in different domains. Make one project where you and your colleagues work together. Find companies who use knowledge from different domains to solve a problem. They will probably have professionals from different domains. When having an excursion to a company, this could be any company. Ask the student to have a professional attitude when visiting the company. Have students determine the diversity of the teams that work in the company and how they contribute to the issues they work on. Students learn to look at issues from different perspectives, to apply and balance knowledge from different domains on issues they encounter. In this way, students are better prepared to work on complex issues beyond education.